Hi, I'm Steve with Indian Creek Sports, and I've got a golf cart that has your name on it. This golf cart is a 25 mile an hour, completely street legal. All you need is a registration and a license plate on it, and it's ready to go. On the back of the boat here, this will turn into a hauling area, plus it's got a removable cooler for your beverages. See that the lithium battery and the charging systems underneath the front seat here. And it has a lighting for working on it or for your cruising. It's got an 80-inch long top roof, so it's completely resistant. And on the dash here, it's got a locking dash, odometer, USB ports, LED lights. The seats are all premium upholstery with adjustable headrests. You have your four cup holders in the front and two in the back. It's got a safety bar, seat belts. It does have a 6-inch lift kit. It's got rear trunk space, as you can see, and brush guard steps. Street legal. It's got the reflectors and passing lights, 4-wheel disc brakes. It does have an emergency shut-off, and it has 23-inch tires, heavy-duty leaf springs, independent front suspension. It's got side mirrors, turn indicators, headlights, taillights, horn, hazard, glass windshield, and the 12-inch touchscreen does have a backup camera in it. So this one is fully loaded. Come down, take a look at it. We've got this on special for $12,999. It's again a complete street legal golf cart. So come down and see us at Indian Creek Sports.